Can you delete a poll on Facebook Messenger? In today's video, we're going to find out exactly that. So let's just jump right in without any further delay. First of all, open up your Messenger application and make sure that you are logged into your account. And then from here, just go ahead and tap on the chat where you've created a poll. So you have to note that you cannot create polls on normal DMs or private messages. You can only create polls on a group chat where there are multiple peoples at once. So here is a poll that I have created. So I'm able to add options here and then vote on multiple options as well. So once you have done that, if you try to delete the poll like you delete normal messages, you are not able to do so. So if I try to delete this normal message and then tap on delete, as you can see, I can delete it from everyone or just me. But if I try to do the same thing with the poll, I long press and hold on it, nothing happens because it does not show me the option to delete or do anything else, because Facebook Messenger does not allow you to delete polls once they have been created. If you really want to get rid of them, then the only thing that you can do is either leave the group or delete conversation from the entire group so you can start fresh. That is the only thing that you can as of now, but there is no option to delete the poll on Messenger. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.